Welcome back to ViperrTrades, and I'm here with a quick Bitcoin update. So if you've been following my last videos, I drew out this range a few days ago, and as you can see, we're still working with the same range. And yeah, so we did tap into this 4-hour supply zone here. The target was here, these lows as well, so you can see we took them both out. If you did catch that, I personally didn't, as I mentioned before, but if you did catch that, that was a very nice play. So as you can see here, we got range deviation here, range deviation here, came back into the range, couldn't get a good reaction at mid-range, so came back down, deviation out of the range again. Now we're back in the range. So now what we're looking for, let me just remove this quickly. We got some highs here, we got some equal highs here. So now what we're looking for is to take out those highs. So we got the 1 hour supply zone here. You can see we had a quick reaction, very quick reaction of that 1 hour supply. As you can see, came back down, touched, came off range low, and now we're coming back up. So the idea now is to ideally flip this 1 hour supply. We got confluence here with the MPOC. So yeah, hopefully if we flip that, then take this out as well, then we can look at range highs as the next target. But we've got to be cautious when coming into here. But any breakdown, you'll be looking to short it back to range low. And I do see people calling for lower prices, 35k, but I don't think that will come too easily. I don't think it will just be a straight dump to 35k if we do get that dump there. So right now I'm just gonna play it with the trend while recovering. So if you can flip this, I'll be looking to target here, I'll be looking to target here, and if you can flip that, then I'll be looking to target the 3-day supply. So yeah, at around 44k, that will be the final target if we do remain bullish on the mid time frames. But again guys, I told you guys to keep a note of this before, the volatility index. So you can see here, for this one I don't do any crazy analysis for it, just support and resistance. It works well enough. As you can see, it works well enough. So you can see when we rejected here, this is where the market started to take a breather. So if I just highlight that to you, from 26th of April to around the 27th. So if you go on the Bitcoin chart now, as you can see from the 26th of, yeah, right there, you can see we took a little breather to the 27th. And yeah, we've got some choppiness here, but you can see the correlation here. And now we had a little rebound. So you can see here, rebounded back into the resistance. So this previous support became resistance now. And you can see on the rebound, that's when we had all this messed up price action on that rebound there. So this is where you saw all that choppiness, and now we have a straight rejection here. So yeah, you can see from that we start to recover again. So it's always good to just make a note of what the volatility index is doing. Then you remove that. Yeah, so it's always good to keep a note of what it's doing, as the market does follow this very closely, and all the data is there. And yeah, if you just look at it yourself, you can see how the S&P 500 and Bitcoin follows it. So it's basically like a counter indicator. When it goes up, Bitcoin goes down. When it goes down, Bitcoin and the S&P 500 goes up. So right now, for VIX, yeah, we're just looking for it to see if we can get a reaction here. If not, then pretty something like that, then we'll see if it can go down to 25 and then the 23s. But if we were to do this, Bitcoin should do something like this, something like that. We should see that, no doubt, if VIX is to downtrend. So we'll keep an eye out for that. we'll keep an eye out for that. Again, nothing crazy to analyze about the volatility index. Keep it simple, and we'll see how Bitcoin plays out following this. So guys, that's my idea going forward. However, if we do lose this range, we can then target these lows here. Around 37.2k, and yeah, we can look here as well around 35k. So that's only if we lose the range. But for now, it's a strong range reclaim here. Nothing to be worried about, nothing too shabby right now. The choppiness overall has made it very hard to trade, but right now I feel like it's best to focus on the KNC, the GMT, the ape, yeah. But the other alts in general, the other altcoins which move with Bitcoin solely are not really doing so great. They're very hard to trade, so these are the ones I'll stick to for now. So if you did enjoy this video, if you could please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for the latest buying opportunities, latest educational content, and latest coin updates. And I'll be back with another video. Again, thank you for all the support. Thank you for 500 subscribers, and I'll catch you all in the next video.